Hello friends, welcome in online class. Students, today we are in the third video of the lesson from class 10th Science and Technology part 2 lesson second, and the name of lesson is Heredity and Evolution. I am Rathod Narendra Manik Rao welcoming you in this online class. Today we are we are going to discuss the important chapter of this lesson, that is evolution. Then what is evolution? It is the slow and gradual changes takes place in the living organism. This process of changes is also takes place in inorganic substances that are said to be the non-living things like stars, planets, earth, sun. In our environment, universe, certain changes are occur continuously. Many stories are available in a Ved, Puran, Granth in India, China, Europe about how the universe is originate or generate. There is no life on earth around 3.5 billion years ago. Only simple organic and inorganic elements are found on ocean. From organic inorganic element, simple components are formed, and from this complex component like protein, amino acids are formed, and from this the first protoplasm is produced. Protoplasm, that is the simple cell. This cell increases from the chemical present around the cell show growth and increase, and some get perish by the law of natural selection. Nowadays we have seen crore of living organism in environment from unicellular amoeba to a big whale. We see great diversity among the living organism. That diversity is in the form of size, shape, complexity and their structure. In animal, we see diversity like unicellular to multicellular organism. Elephant or whale, here we see huge diversity. In plant, we see diversity like unicellular chlorella to a big banyan tree. We know life is present everywhere in the atmosphere from equator to pole. Life is present in air, water, land, also deep down the ocean to the top of mountain. Human beings are very intelligent. They show the curiosity about life and origin of a life, so they put forth many theories about evolution and try to find how the life exists on earth. Out of this theory of evolution, that is gradual development of living organism, is accepted. Many philosophers and religious scholars have written their view about formation of life. There seem to be through the discussion over the formation of universe on various culture like India, China, Rome and Greek. Various cultures have noted different type of information. about planet, stars, and Panchamahabhuta, living organism, etc. in the form of stories and religious books. Now we are going to discuss the theory of evolution. According to theory of evolution, the first living material, protoplasm, has been formed in ocean. In due to crores of time, unicellular organism was formed. Gradually changes occur. Unicellular organism from which multicellular organisms are generated. Duration of all these changes are about 300 crore years. Changes and development in living organism had been all around and multidimensional, and this led to evolution of different type of organism. This overall process is called evolution and is also says to organization. Progressive development of plant and animal from the ancestor having different structure and function, organization, this is called evolution. Now we are going to see the evidence of evolution. Morphological evidences. The evidences which are seen can be observed as a structure. We can say the ancestors of all organisms are same. Position of eyes, nose, hair on the body. The collective thinking upon all theories suggests that the evolution is long lasting process of changes. However, it is important to prove. One of the evidence is a morphological evidence. Then anatomical evidence. Observe the picture carefully. There doesn't seem any superficial similarity. Human had cat foreleg, flipper of whale, and potassium bat. What are in this picture shows human hand, cat foreleg, flipper of whale, and potassium of bat. Similarly, use of each of these structure is different in a respective animal. However, it shows similarity in structure of bone and joint in organ of each animal. This indicates common ancestors. Then vestigial organs. Multicellular organism show different organ and organ system. Each organ perform particular function. Kidney, liver, heart, tailbone, appendix, ear muscle, hair on the body. What we say? Kidney, liver, heart, tailbone, appendix, ear muscle, hair on body. These are the different parts and perform a particular function. Can each organ is useful to every organism? No. Organ like appendix, ear muscles, not useful to all organism. Some organs are functional in certain animal, but it is not functional in other. Appendix, muscles of ear, tailbone, hair on body. Now we are going to discuss about the paleontological evidences. Which animal organisms exist million of years ago? Can we say this? The secret of this is hidden in the earth. And number of animals are buried due to disaster like flood, earthquake, volcano. Then what is fossil? Fossil are the remnants and impression of such organism remain preserved under the earth. Study of fossil is an important aspect of study of evolution. In that, carbon dating is the one type of important method. The life of organism, the time pass since the death of a plant or animal can be calculated by this method. By calculated measuring the radioactive of C14 and radioactive C14 to C12 present in their body. As per this evidence, vertebrates are slowly originated from invertebrate. Now we are going to discuss about the connecting link. Some plants and animals show morphological, that is structural characters similarly by which they can be related to two different groups are called as connecting link. What is connecting link? Some plants and animals show morphological, that is structural characters similarity by which they can be related to two different groups are called connecting links. Duckbill platypus, it lay eggs like a reptile, a birds, but also have mammary gland and hair like animals. This is the connecting link. Lungfish, aquatic animal, it is a fish found in the water. It is aquatic animal but perform the process of respiration through lung. Peripatus, organ present in a similar to arthropods, also like body segment, body covering, parapodia like organs, circulatory system, so show common ancestors. Embryological evidences, as shown in the chart, all the embryo show extreme similarity during primary stage and those similarity decreases gradually. See the picture. This is the development of embryo. In first stage we have seen all embryos in that stage are looks like similar, but when the growth is taken place, certain changes here we have to see. It also suggests that the ancestors of organisms are similar.